Alright, so today attempting to change the outer and inner racking, the link bar. I have one issue, I don't have a tool to pull the inner rack, so I'm not sure about that part as yet, but let me see if the thing I have can fit. Alright, so I get the inner and outer rack pull. This is the outer one that connects right here to the axle, and the outer one is this one that connects right to the steering. So as I say, I didn't have the appropriate tool to do it, so uncut this up, uncut this up. Yeah. Alright, so I got the inner rack to install. I'll take the boot off of the old rack, and yeah, so this basically protect the inner rack from dirt and debris and stuff like that. Yeah, so just gonna connect it back onto the steering rack. Alright, so I got the rack, inner rack on. I need to put the end. Now I need to put the rack end on. Alright, so I got the rack end in. Now I got it attached now. I have to remove sway bar link. Yeah, replace them with some new one. Alright, guess what I found out? I found out that the sway bar is loose. See that? Loose. I don't know what these mechanics are doing. How them not see that? So can you believe? I bring this car to a mechanic, them couldn't solve it. I brought the car to tire warehouse today, make them put it on the lift. I'm write a list of items that I need. See, I need inner and outer rack. See, I need tie rod, the brake caliper. You need pin still because it still have a little shaking height. You know, I change the control arm on the car, the both of them. I change the strut mount on the car, and today I change the outer and inner rack, only to find out that the issue was the sway bar. It did need it to tighten. Simple. 112 bolt. 112 bolts. See there? All of my problems solved. The amount of money and parts me change, and the amount of person make look on it, and then couldn't tell me that. Oh God. Now me have one inner and outer rack for the other side of the vehicle. I may have two link bar, you know, and this rack never changed before. The inner one is the factory one on it, so probably never the necessary change either. Because when me I try to solve this one, I'm gonna find it out, say it's just one loose bolt, 112 loose bolt. Just that they need to tighten, and all of the person I bring it to, them couldn't figure say that. I'm gonna spend so much money and spend so much time on the vehicle. Although it made me learn a lot about vehicle, but that for sure you have to have certain knowledge about vehicle, because people will carry around and around and around. You understand? You have to have certain knowledge, and you just keep spend money. You understand? Try to learn to do something on your vehicle, or have somebody who trustworthy where you can